Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great and thank you so much for showing so much of love on my previous makeup videos. Thank you so much. So today I'll be doing a rosy makeup look, and the interesting part is I'll just be using one lipstick to create the whole makeup look. So let's head to makeup. First, obviously I'm moisturizing my skin by using Pond's light moisturizer, which I always use. And now the primer. Because applying primer would really make your skin smooth and it will really become easy to apply foundation. So now let's move to foundation. Here I'm applying Maybelline New York Superstay foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Okay, it is very important to apply foundation on your neck as well, because we don't want our neck to look different than our face. So yes, now blend it all so that you get the flawless finish. Okay, now let's conceal. Again, I'm using Coloressence HD foundation stick to conceal my under eye. I'll also be applying a little bit on my, eyelids. Okay, so that the base is done. Let's move to the fun part, which is lipstick. So here I'm using Maybelline New York lipstick in the edition Alice plus Olivia by Stacey Bendet in the shade SRD 56. So this lipstick I got free on those few products that I bought from Nykaa. This is one beautiful lipstick that I've ever used. So guys, I'm using this lipstick as an eyeshadow and I'll be blending it by using my finger. So now I'll be using the same lipstick as a blush. I swear this lipstick is a savior. You can use such sort of makeup looks while you are in a hurry, or you are late to your college or anywhere, because this kind of makeup you can wear it. Actually, you can wear this sort of makeup every day. So now I'll be using black eyeshadow on my upper lash line instead of liner, because this really saves time. One more tip, you can also use your kajal and just smudge it. whatever suits you. This is the sort of makeup which can be done within minutes, and you don't have to be stressing or even getting upset about your liner or your look, because all you have to use is one lipstick as eyeshadow, blush, and lipstick, and just use your fingers to blend it. It's okay to not to be perfect sometimes. It is really beautiful that way. Now I'm just filling the inner corners of my eyebrows with the same eyeshadow that I use on my upper lash line, the same black eyeshadow. Now let's set the makeup with Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. Now I'm using highlighter on my cheekbone, on my nose, and beneath my eyebrow. Also, I'm applying that pink shimmer from the same highlighter to give that nice glowing look. And now last but not the least, I am applying the same lipstick. Look at it, guys, it's so pigmented. It's really good. Just to tone down the shiny effect of lipstick, I applied a nude brown shade from Nykaa, and we are ready. How does this look? Please let me know in the comment section, and do try it out, guys. I hope you all will love this look as well. Take care.